If y'all love mini twists like I do, mini twists but different, just keep watching. Hey y'all, okay, so to start off this hairstyle, I washed my hair. Y'all washed my hair like hours ago. This is what I used. The Carol's Daughter, the Goddess Strength line. I used the shampoo. And then I used the conditioner. So before I washed my hair, I did go in with this rosemary scalp cleansing. So it's the Camille Rose Rosemary Oil Strengthening Hair and Scalp Cleanser. I like this because I felt like it really cleansed my scalp and it wasn't foamy. So it wasn't like a wash. I mean, I guess it's a wash, but it really wasn't that foamy, soapy type of wash, but I like that. So if you don't like that, if you like to see it sud, this probably is not something you would want to buy, but I like it a lot. And I do feel like my scalp is cleansed and now I'm ready to style my hair. For this style, you are definitely gonna need this, okay? This is what you need for this style. Now, the parts, I'm gonna make sure the parts look really good in the front, but in the back, when I do mini twists, I kind of freestyle it. I'm not really concerned about how straight my parts are, but if you are that girl, then go ahead and make sure that you pay attention to how straight you get your parts. So I am gonna start off with this leave-in conditioner by Camille Rose. This is something new that I have not used yet. So I am trying to use all the products that I have not used. That way I know what I like and I know what I want to rebuy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna section my hair off and I'm gonna use this on each section. And I was trying to decide what I wanted to style my hair with. This is not new, I've used this before, but I'm gonna use this for my twists. The TGIN Twist and Define Cream. It's a very thick cream and that's what I need when I do mini twists. I really try to use something thick and moisturizing. So I'm thinking this plus this is gonna give me the moisture that I really need. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna section my hair off and we're gonna start off with this leave-in conditioner. So for this style, you definitely want to have a ear-to-ear part in this front section. So you could do whatever you want to do first, like the front or the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this put this out the way, and we're gonna start in the back of my hair first. Okay, so I just did those two. So I did go ahead and put this on my hair, and y'all look at how my curls look with this. This smells, it smells just like honey. It smells so good, and my hair is like a good slip. So I just love how this looks. All right, so section it off. I'm gonna go with my fingernail piece off right here. I'm gonna get me some twist and curl cream, and then I am just going to start twisting all the way down, and add the twist and curl cream as you go down your hair. That way it's not dry. You don't want it to be dry. And then do that at the end, and that's a twist. Say hey to YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Finished the back. I got on live for the first time, y'all. Went on YouTube live and I went on TikTok live. Who am I? I don't know. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. Now to start this part, Yeah, this is what's gonna take a little. I want it to be like that Fulani type of look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and section off this the front right here. I'm gonna do like a triangle part. This is a triangle right here. All right, y'all, so I got my triangle going on right here. This is as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so I got this section out like that, and then this. So now for this section right here, I'm like flat twist it to the back. That's what I'm going to do. Flat twist this section right here, and then work on the sides. So we're gonna flat twist this. Because I'm going to be doing some flat twists, I'm going to be using this braiding gel so it can hold my flat twists in place. So that is what I'm going to be using for my flat twist. So I'm basically going to get a piece in the front, and hopefully I can do this with these nails on. And then I'm going to just pick a little piece like that and grab a piece under, and then twist it like that. So I'm like grabbing a piece under like this as I go down. Finished these. Y'all see how it's looking? It's looking so cute. Okay, so with this, I want it to be like the Fulanis, so I could like flip it over like that. So we're gonna do individual ones on these, and I'm gonna do them like pretty. I'm trying to see because I want to do this one, individual one, but then I wanted to like pull it in some. So I'm gonna play around with it and see how it looks first. It looks really good. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. For the most part, my twist will look like this. I'll be back once it's completely dry in the morning. style. If you want to make it longer, if you want it to last longer, I would definitely suggest you add hair. This is going to be my style for at least the next week. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Y'all know I love trying something new. But yeah, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.